Hey guys, how's it going? This is Pure Lou and you're back with another edition of the Real Wheel Deal. Today I'm going to be reviewing a Volk racing wheel, but it's going to be a little bit different than the normal ones I review. Most times I review a really performance or track oriented wheel, but today I'm taking things off-road. So first I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out of the box right away for you guys. One good thing is because these are smaller diameter wheels, they pack them in boxes of 2, so that's why I have an extra tall wheel here. And right away you'll notice that the diameter is not as big as the wheels I normally review. Let's open this guy up. Alright, so here it is. This is the TE37X Progressive Model. So around 2015, Volk introduced 2 wheels that were made specifically for all-terrain vehicles or off-road vehicles. So these vehicles are kind of like JDM all-terrain vehicles, the Toyota Hilux, Tundra, Tacoma. A lot of these vehicles, they're made to do off-roading. With a 6-bolt pattern right away, you'll notice that this looks like different than the wheels I normally review. Another thing is this really large PCD. This large PCD, really, you know right away it's an off-road wheel. So with this, they made 2 versions. One's called the TE37X Progressive Model. That's the one I have here. This one mimics the look of the TE37V, which is a deeper dish, kind of has this vintage style spoke. The second one that Volk made is called the TE37 large PCD model. So large PCD being here. And that one resembles more like a TE37SL or a TE37RT. And another one they made is the TE37 Ultra large PCD, which resembles a TE37 Ultra. So those are the 3 that we have. I have this one here today, the X Progressive model, which I'm very happy to have because we normally bring in a lot of speed and track tires and rims, but I really get an off-road rim. And we're just gonna go over the sizing first. So this one's a 16-inch. This one's the biggest one you can get. This is 8 inches wide in diameter. It goes anywhere from 5.5 wide up to 8 inches wide, and only in 16. I heard Volk is making a 17 soon, but the one here I have now is the largest one they make. Another thing is the color. This is in bronze, the Volk classic bronze color. They offer a second color, which is matte dark green, which is kind of a cool color that's unique to their off-road lineup. And some other features that make it stick out is the 6 lug. So 6 lugs, there's only 2 sizes for PCD for this wheel. It's either 6 by 139.7, which this one is, or you can go a 6 by 150, which has even a larger PCD. So because this is mimicking a TE37V, there's a couple features which make it stand out. First feature is it has these really vintage style flat cut spoke wheels. You can see it's joined here. It continues all around. It's really flat. Second thing is this double step lip. So TE37V, this one has a double step lip, give it a vintage feel. This one here says made in Japan. So made in Japan engraved in here. And here to have the diamond cutting, Volk Racing. This is diamond cut in here. So Volk's been doing this a lot lately, you know, ZE40, TE37 Sega, TE37 Ultra, they like cutting the Volk logo right directly into the rim. And of course we have our regular certifications, JWL, and VIA, but there's another one here, JWLT. So this is all-terrain, this is off-road wheel. In the back, it looks a lot like your standard Volk. So it has all your stickers on the inside here. The offset of this one is by 0, so that means this PCD is right in the middle of the rim, left to right. And you notice here that right away it's flat. So it has this super flat contact piece right on the hub, so it's super strong for all terrain. And here I have some engraving in the back here, Ray's Engineering Forged. And so I'm gonna bring this guy back around. So that's what I have here for a TE37X Progressive Model. You know, it's a forged wheel. This is in a Volk lineup. So some people might be like, oh, why do you need forged? Are you trying to save weight on an all-terrain vehicle? Of course, saving weight always helps. You're gonna put some really big, meaty tires on here. So it's gonna negate a lot of weight savings, but compared to the OEM rim, you're gonna save quite a bit. But the main thing is the forged wheel. So that additional strength is gonna help you a lot. If you're doing a lot of like aggressive dirt, aggressive rock, you're going off some aggressive jumps, having a forged wheel, you know, it's gonna protect it even more. So your tires got a lot of protection, but if your rim bends or it breaks, that's gonna be the end of, you know, your time out there. So having a forged wheel really gives you that additional strength. And like I weigh everything off, so I'm definitely gonna put on the scale right now for you guys. I'm gonna put it here. So right now it's 0. Put on this hard surface here, 16.2 pounds. So 16.2 pounds for this wheel, 16-inch diameter. That's killer weight savings in a forged wheel. That's what we know from Volk. And that's my special Volk edition off-road for you guys. So if you guys have any questions, comments, just comment below. Hit subscribe, try to bring you guys all the highest top level wheels. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the TE37X Progressive. Thanks.